Hello guys, Salbonani, Magadini. This is Leslie, and today we are here at Enkundleni. Enkundleni exclusive, proudly brought to you by Deb3 Events. And Deb3, this is like a one-stop place for you. We provide you with everything from events planning, events management, cinematography, event sound system, like you name it, and we give it to you. Even about MC, and yeah, we can give you the best MCs here at Deb3 Events. And namhlanje I've got a special guest with me. Angihambing yedwa. Yabona, it's so rude ukubiza indoda ngokuthi umfana. So mfuna yena azikhulumele because mangathi mina umfana yabona manje lebona sembanjela senlunya la karena proud wena. So I want this gentleman with me today to introduce himself. Say welcome. Sawamukela.
Ngiyabonga kakhulu butana.
Awudinwa.
Alutho hayi ngiright kakhulu.
Alright kakhulu.
Fresh.
Introduce yourself say.
Ngiqala ngokubingelela emakhaya ngikhiphe ingwane. Dumelang sanibonani igama ngoKKid umfana omsuthu insizwe encane ephuma phansi pheshe egungwe emangweni inkomo zikababa ziphuza umpubhudlo. Eshe.
I'm very sure this guy will not grow up because first is K-Kid. So the chances of growing up high.
Forever
young. Yeah. Just maybe a brief introduction about yourself. Umfana omsuthu mbani?
Umfana omsuthu yimi. Ake ndlile kusikhosana.
Ingoma le ngikhipha
angeke ngidlule kusikhosana. I know. To answer the question bhuti wami umfana omsuthu insizwe encane. Ngisesemncane. Ibizo lokuzalwa nguNkosiphile Gitumile. Ngwakodewe isibongo mphuma phansi egungwe emangweni emasuthwini eGwanda ngahle. Yeah, mfana omncane nje okhuliswa ngo-auntie. Okhulisa la nguMasalo. Azazange wathola isikhathi eside kakhulu lo mdala but yeah. Ingakho ungananzelela amangoma zami uzazi kuthiwa ngumfana omsuthu ma. Exactly.
And what's the effect on that growing up maybe from a child to a young man to a man and not having that father relationship in your life? Does that have any effect? Or kuyafana nje kuphela umama vele ubeyenza yonke into and
No, it's not like umdala bengekho ukhona umdala but akusazange kwaba into lena othi I spent most of the time ngilaya. I think okunye khonokho nje ukuthi usuku bese esikolo and it was sporting life, you know, and sometimes yabomncane so yakufutshona lo Masalo kakhulu umdala la busy ngalokho nalokho, you know, that kind of vibe, you understand? So I know it's not akufani, of course umdala uyafuneka empilweni. And angisho ukuthi be absent ukhona hayi no khona matime asharathu umdala supportive kakhulu uyavota kakhulu mangimnika into zesikhulumani les guys
mina ngimlaleli sitrackeli one ithi umntana futhi ukuzishayisa ngalong from
from exposure from
up to
expose umdala
ngimbone sekwazo. And interesting part, you move from hip hop to Afro pop.
Yeah.
What inspired that?
I think ingoma engakhula sengizilalela and being hip hop side, I think it was you know, when I started this music thing I didn't know ukuthi kule mali engayenza phakathi, you understand? So ngamuvela ku hip hop because of once esesikolo, you know, abantwana mabekubiza umrapper ngangayenzela imali ngenzela ukubukwa, you know, that kind of vibe. And I feel like I'm almost iningi lama artist maliqala ukuhlabela vele before li move to whether ipiano mbe afro pop mbe yenye genre iningi lethu siqala sirapper. That's when la ngaqalisa khona njengoKKid. But then later on I realized ukuthi ngapha ezimo kakhulu ethi mat south mawushaya hip hop. I'm not saying hip hop is bad, no, ayikho bad, but to my side I feel like kunzima ukuthi abantu bekunikeza indlebe because i-crowd yakho isuke ibe incane. You understand? It's unlike amanye amazwe abo states labo SA where yabo, but me moving to Afropop, it was a way of making money because now I'm doing love songs. Afropop is siko and abantu abadala can relate to that. I get bookings from weddings. You can't get bookings for hip hop emchadweni lamalobolo, you understand? So me moving to Afropop, especially dwelling much on ama love songs. It was a way of trying to look for money because I think for now as artists, the only way you can make money is getting ama bookings.
Lokhu zeni lo kuthiwa hip-hop ayila mali lokhu.
Angizange ngasho. Angisho lokhu zeni uba.
Mina lokhu zeni.
No, umyelo ngile strategy sakhe bafo, umyelo ngile strategy sakhe. Mina lapha ngizitshe sami strategy ngibonisa. Plus lesikhiwa ngisazi. Yeah, so I can't flex on it.
Kasi rap bra.
I'm not good at rapping. You understand? Yeah, boy.
And now, how is it? The difference? Method? I won't see. Let me tool. Now the difference now from that old rap kid and to this moderate musician that you are. And you also talked about monetization.
Yeah.
Are you saying you want to manage Mali in music?
Not really, but I complain. Khona kwamele sikubone but wami yabo. Hip hop side now ngathi I didn't make much money. Actually vela ngizange ngakhumbula ngithola booking esikhathi sami khona or maybe ukuthi ngahlala isikhathi esincane ngaphansi ukubaleka.
Okay.
You understand? Because kwakunzima for me to introduce music yami to abazali. Because ngithola saying, you know, then umasala uzavela athi yebo nxa ukhulisa abazali aba straight to introduce kanjani ingoma yakho screw vibe. I'm not saying it's wrong but ngicela ungangizwa kabi. Angisho ngolutho. But you know, it depends on ukhuliswe njani ngabazali, you understand?
Okay.
So I felt like to me it was way better to say ma lalela ingoma yami kube baba lalela ingoma yami. Even ugogo now ugogo wami lalela ingoma zami. This is the time I'm playing a video, boy. You understand? Then I asked myself, if it was that kind of people, maybe video I'm going to pool, understand?
But what if it's decent and I'm doing my decent hip hop?
You can show
lyrics just plain and
approach but vele a lot of people when you say hip hop basuke bebelana engqondweni.
Yeah,
understand. Asingeke sibalekele reality.
Okay.
When you say hip hop abantu abaningi bahle bacabangela into ze states.
Asingeke sibalekele ireality lokhu zeni.
Asibuzi ukuthi lokhu zeni uzongishayisa. Yeah, but that's the fact.
Yeah.
Now on the Afropop side abantu bakulalela like wonke umuntu abantwana abadala isize zami but on the hip hop side I still remember ngangichaza esikole uphela intwana umrap intwana ngiwe amabhazi, you understand, but endlini bengakusupport uphuma ubale uphuma ngewindow siyakushow.
Yeah,
I understand. It's not nice mawuso kwenza ukufihla, you know, you need to have support from ekhaya first before usupportwa ngabanye abantu phandle.
And where is your power audience now? Where would you say lapha sibili yikho sibile ngile following? Is it in Bulawayo? Is it in Gwanda?
No, I can say it's eGwanda.
eGwanda.
Yeah, shout out to Kasi, Gwanda lingiphethe. Gwanda ngiphethe because ngaqalela khona ngale.
Okay.
I started here with the hip hop thing but ngenxa yomsebenzi ukumuva komsebenzi.
Okay.
NgayiGwanda plus vele I'm from Gwanda ngikhulele khona so eGwanda bahle babamazi umfana bahle bangigoqela bathi longo wethu. So like everyone I think 97% bamazi umfana umsuthu.
Okay.
Yeah. Bit of ngapha koBulawayo yebo sesiqalisa ukuthi sikhule sispread ama wings but hayi Kasi Gwanda ikhulaphe.
You know, a few weeks ago, we did interviews with people from the communities.
Okay.
And bathi ngoma zenu ziyabhora. That's why they would rather prefer ama artists abuya evela phandle because they're trying to relate with your music, but maybe your quality is not okay, or sometimes azila originality awubukhanyi ububulawayo or ubuGwanda engomeni zenu. And what would you say when about your music? Are you saying no, mina this is an original sound, this is an original thing, and it's something that is mine and I bore into le madoda?
Yeah, mina ngiyaziqhenya ngesound yami but ngiyaziqhenya, it's original, I'm not faking. Nalengwane egqokileyo it's not like ngiyafake ukuyigqoka, cha ngingumsuthu vele. You understand? So angibasoli labo nabo bathi ingoma zethu ziyabhora vele even lakathesi.
But what would you say when with the type of music that we are producing as a region.
As a region, as a Bulawayo.
Yeah, specifically Matabeleland, because it's not blooming enough. Like it's not hitting the heights like it should. What do you think is the problem with that? Also measuring with your own music, with all right, maybe my music should be there, but it's still here. What do you think contributes to that?
I don't know whether I'm having it right if I may to compare with the other guys.
It's okay.
As ngapha eMat South supported to the yaxeka asibambananga kangako as compared to labana amajita that side ngale baphakamisana lo ubamba umunye umdonse but lapha mina ngigijimisa ukuthi okwami ukuhambe phambili ngathola linye igap kunzima ukuthi ngifaka abantu ingakaye ebantwini abasilalela thina as localities sisodwa kunzima ukuthi sibambane sicabangela iplate lethu kuphela. And I think vele everyone knows ngapha eMandebeleni sinjalo angazi noma mhlawumbe angazi ukuthi ngakuchasa ngithi kuyini but kunjalo vele as compared to labana bangale labana babambene. So I think isileka compana vele ku support ukuthi supportane thina sodwa before sithole support abanye abantu. So kuba nzima ukuthi umuntu akusupport while usinohle ukusupport omunye umuntu. You get the point? Yeah, so kusuka uxeke compana. I think if we fix ukuthi sibambaneni bafo ndoda kule gap lapha ngufake la hayi bafo as busy mina but bekule gap efune I think ungafitha wathi ngikhulume labantu laba ngibabone bazwe izinto zakho. I think in that way singakhula nalokuthi mangikhipha ingoma bafo thatha phela la link lami ulifake because abantu abakucontact lakho angibazi. You understand? But wena ungafuna ukuthi khona usukhipha kwakho usuconcentrate kwakho kuphela akula power of collaboration lapho yabo. So once ngathatha ilink lakho ngilifake kwesami status kulomunye umuntu ongawaziyo uzokubona lo beyi1 lo babe ngu2 akufani ngilanga utholile lami ngicontribute something ku career yakho yabo. But lapho uzathola ukuthi sabe sithatha bombana babambeneyo khona ngale siba support thina. Okay. Endlini kade sona I don't think we are bukela ZBC.
Yeah, here and there I do.
Why?
Mainly because I spend less time at home. So I don't have TV time. Honestly, I'm always out. I get home tired.
Okay, mafika endlini la TV ubukelayo.
Angilayo vele TV.
Hola TV. But uthebe ubukela kancane. But point yambise ukuthini even that sisodwa nje yasibukela ichannel le.
Yeah.
Sibukela ozalo. Sibaya. Why is that? So kumele sikhangele company ukuthi kungani. And
okay, even if I had the chance and to watch local, especially you mentioned EZBC, would it give me the same quality that I'm getting Gibo Sibaya and so on?
No.
So why should I bother myself?
Should let's show quality futhi. Ngiyabonga ubamba leyo part. Quality yethu isuke encane. Maybe it's because aslamali you produce a quality eqinile. And when it comes to artists that originate, sometimes it's so shawe with aslamali.
Okay.
Because when other before, mangizafuna ukushuta video le quality angisebenzi ngihleze endlini ngilindele igig. Kade sisuka uJanuary magig askasi. Makwenziwa lawa ama-function amakhulu. Thina sabe sithola khona okuncane othi la uncane nge-time. But kuzabe kubuyela abana vele sikhuluma ngabo abakhulu. Yiba bathatha imali yonke behambe.
And locally, just to add flesh into this thing to say, because every artist says there's no collaboration, and when we're talking about artists, we're talking about you and the other guys. So have you maybe tried to reach out to someone who's big or moderate to say, okay, let's settle on something and see how it comes out, and you are rejected?
When it comes to me, ngabe ngiqamba manga because bonke sengabalandayo abazange banginikeza leya energy ebhedayo, you understand. So far right. I'm not complaining, honestly. I'm not complaining. Ngiqhubeka ngiphusha ngikhala ngihamba because akusizi vele ukukhala kwehlula imbuzi mntaka baba.
Engakhali kuhle.
Ehlele imbuzi baba ngoDecember ikhalile but
engakhali kuhle.
Yabo, so you rather cry baba hamba.
Uchapha.
Qoqoda lapho nalapho. Of course ngiyebe kuvulele bonke.
Yeah.
You know, but keep on.
Yeah.
Keeping on.
Because I'm worried about this issue of a collaboration to say who should collaborate with who or how should we collaborate? Because mina karesu ngatwa name ama artist our this region, I would say Umfana Msotho. And
Yeah.
because you are my artist Swazi, and so if you bring or Umfana maybe who has gone to the studio once, their cry would be Agula collaboration. Then if you bring Omkhulu Futan, they'll say Agula collaboration. So who should collaborate with who exactly and how?
Experience engayibonayo mina when it comes in the collaboration iyahlupha because you'll hear someone saying ufuna ukuvuka ngami. You understand?
So we have things like that.
Yeah, kakhulu. Yeah, kakhulu. Kade siyathutsha intwana maybe elengoma eyi-1 ngiyilalele ingoma yangikhona ngithi intwana kusamele isebenze nzima at least like ngathi yaziphusha kancane before ichayikhola because sometimes abantu they expect more from you and the consistency ukuthi okay last time uchaye ingoma nje next time expect engcono but cabanga sengikhiphe enye ingoma with intwana eyade kumele iqale because angeke vele ihluzalo uhambe.
Yeah.
Uqala ukhase. You understand? Kulama stages. So indaba yama collaborations when you are still young. Even namanje angeke ngigijimele ukuthi sengingakhalela ukuthi uBig Zulu uyalila collab. What if konto ezwileyo angayithandiyo kumele ngiqale ngilungisise mina first. Kumele maybe ngilungise ngase lawo thina silinganayo sibonza abafo then yena sathi hayi intwana I think laphana uphamanise so kuncane kuyalungiseka lokho singasebenza because ngeke kuphonga ukuthi usikanda kuzala so gijimele ukuhamba kumele ukhase first.
But do we have that engagement now to say sembuyile mina le ngoma yami eyi-1?
Yeah.
Do we have, because how do we measure? Because if you are saying your own quality as the guys that we are looking up to is not yet up to standard, so how do we say lesi somfana obuyele ngoma yakhe eyi-1 hayi wena esapha siyenze thina sethu vele abakhulu singayenzi?
Ama-quality akhona alingani.
Leya incane
So kube khona
leya incane but
it's an Adidas thing. So engxenye mina ku-Adidas ngiyabenza center then intwana ilana so kuyomele la ake eqele phezulu kimi la because ukupractice akayenza kube perfect.
Yeah.
So at least if you work on yourself khona intwana yakangizondela ngimtshela ngathi alungisa lapha la lapha for now we can't work. Because cabanga sesiyashaya ingoma la qeda iphuma ngabe blind because ulama expectations bayabuya kimi ngithi uyabe sithi okay so bhuti omdala sengani sengcono angisho ukuthi sengiblind but sengcono and I feel like mangaba msana la enganginikeza enye audience mina ngiyelayo cabanga sengimphile leyo thing sashaya ingoma mina ngideliver yena ehluleke sokuthi boy kadlawa ungajela umfana ukuthi aqala alungise sebe blame mina futhi. You get the point. So it's a matter of communication futhi la ukuthi addressa kanjani umfana ukuze angafeel bad azwisise ukuthi I know bafo qala ulungisise lapha.
Then there is also an issue of a visibility, I think, if that's the right term. Oguti, people feel like abaliboni, aliko. They want to engage with you, they want to know more about your music. But bati as like we have events around town, you travel around events and just to see our celebrities just walking on to come and watch. But we are not seeing more of that. Would you say that's a lie?
Basibona kanjani masenza ama-shows ethu sisodwa bengabuyi. That's a fact before. Because vele kuhlezi kusolwa ama-artists asenze lokhu la lokhu. But truth be told, akwenziwa i-event kade kamfana Msotho one man show. Angazi kulapho kujwayele ukuya khona laba abanye abakhulu. Brazo ngizabe ngile ntwana zami labo DJ bami iningi la kuyini vele lisethi sound.
Yeah.
Phambili audience laphana we understand. Ababuya abantu bangona. I don't know what the problem isuke ibenga. Ikhona kade sikhuluma ngakho ukuthi basuke bebukele labana abadala and it's not like asikho visible. We are there even if you go to social media, service available on all digital platforms. But ama numbers abe mancane konke maybe local kwamele ngibe ngiqale ngishaye lo muntu omdala okukhulu futhi ukuze attention ibuye la kimi futhi I don't know. That's why ngithi mina siqhubeke sihamba kuzokulunga because when I started ngangakwazi la ngingangazi so now we are here together. Shout out to Deb 3, you understand? Sesazana, it's a matter of ukupusha baze bekubone kuphela. You get the point? Waqhubeka ukupusha bazaze besibona phela as long as ngizathola ifan ngelanga, which means ngelinye ilanga ngithi one man show babuye abaningi elimele ngiqalise nge-2.
So it's a matter of consistency. Exactly. Just keep giving us music, just keep pushing it to the people. Then
Yeah, definitely.
Guys, talk collaborate. Yes. collaborate, just keep doing your thing, just keep giving people in music. And one day, like, you can't release an album today and expect the whole Bulawayo to be flocking into your album tomorrow. And give us another one and another one. And another one, right?
Exactly.
And another one, food, right? And another ones I would need food at the end of the show because you need to give us another one. Right now, Mfana Msoto, the balance now between music and law.
Hey, Zimbabwe. Nje ngikhuluma la ngisuka khona. Ngiyagijima lapha ngama robot ngibuya la so. It's quite tricky, but I'm balancing. I know mawisikhathi somsebenzi kwamele ngisebenze because la lo msebenzi ngeke ngwekele for music lezo ezingakapophi on the side of music because sometimes ngilokuthatha imali naleyo yomholo ngepayday ngigezelele ku photoshoot wezithi la mimbe lesithombe esihle sokuthi makule poster bese sicela iposter lakho uphumela mingwane
ingwane ikhanya
yabo exactly so khona it's hard because sometimes ngilokuthola ama bookings or ama events abefuna team bekhona during the week uthola ukuthi kumele mase emsebenzini kuthi imali you know it comes maybe masokufuna ukuthi ubule good relationship with abantu abasemsebenzini at least aba understand that laba vision yakho ukuthi okay ngawungafika ku boss aba boss lapha kukhona into enje azwisisa so if I can manage ukuthi ngingabi khona ngelanga kumbe decide ukuthi ngigule angisho ukuthi ngiyagula angiguli bakithi emsebenzini ngangigula ngigula yathi address isembhayizile
you have it loud and clear from trust me, that's not a hip hop line. He knows exactly what he's saying. But do they understand, like, are they aware ukuthi umfana umsotho mbani emsebenzini or you have kept that to yourself?
No. Mina ngakhuluma even la ku-interview. Basically tell us about yourself. Ngakhuluma nje on the other side. No, mina ngenza so that ingabe surprise mase ngizocela ama off days. So ngithemele ngeVictoria Falls for a week. Kule mali engaka because sometimes I can't inthola imali leyo ngihamba shaya ngama lunch bonke. Ngifuna bengiphathe kahle lelo la.
Valentine is coming.
Yabo so I did wonke umuntu yakwazi.
Yeah.
Wonke umuntu yakwazi because angeke phela bevuke sebembona ku TV
all of a sudden
sebeqasa ukufanisa sebembuza ukuthi sasikhathi into yenza kanje ifamily yami I spend most of the time ngilapha then ngisendlini so yiba abantu ukuthi abangi-support even la kuma group emsebenzini sometimes ngithola semfile link les guys can you please vote for me ku top 20 avote labo ba support yabo it's konke kusukela khombana de ngikuthi ukuthi the reason why ngabaleka ku hip hop is because ngangisehle ukuthi bebekwazi endlini.
Yes. It was difficult to expose.
Exactly. So you might need them futhi lasemsebenzini ukuthi sometimes bekusayinele ezinye izinto mase usiya somewhere.
Okay.
Get the vibe so kwamele bebekwazi ukuthi wenza ngani.
Okay.
Babevume babeyala but at least bekwazi.
And the appreciation, how is it? Phela ngabantu bomthetho la amaqwetha my Leonard friend.
Shout out to my Leonard friends.
My Leonard friend. Abafuna sustainable evidence yokuthi ingoma leyo ihlabelile. Are they too stiff for your music? Are they understanding your music?
They do.
Are they truthful to say lapha wehlulekile lapha mfana Msotho la?
No, they do appreciate stuff. Ba support us really. Khona ke ngisho ukuthi they go to a point whereby ba vote, ba subscribe, ba like, they share as well, you know. So I feel like ba right.
Ba supportive.
Yeah.
And coming maybe back to your personal life, who are the people that keep you going in terms of that musical side? Because most cases, mina ngasatholanga vele support internally, then how would the community now support me? So mbani umuntu sibule singathi hayi lo ngisukela ekhachana lo and umuntu lo ngabe kakho lo amnave ngabanhlabeli.
For that one I'll mention intwana yami Motion Culture.
Okay.
Yeah, we grew up together since grade 2 ingakabi kwazi lo ukuthi sile talent.
Okay.
Yabo has been there. It was a designing graphics and all that. So sometimes most of my photos even my videos directed by Motion Culture. I'm a cover land is plus or exercise management. Yeah.
Management team.
Shout out to
we had a serious conversation days ago about this issue of management team and tell us when I'm a musician tina mina ngandonona lapha and no vele ngogesis motor lami ngokuma asikwazi tina ngama management. We usually when you're trying to book an artist or when something goes wrong, you'll hear the term I have a team, but you don't see much about the visibility of the team. And I'll give you an example. We had an incident, I know you saw it, about JC.
JC Repatic.
Yes, JC and and imali zabantu sezinyamaleli kathesi asibonakala imali
mina indaba zabantu nje wasipho indaba zabantu.
I want to specifically ask in this team aspect to say, let's say it's you have a team and you're bouncing out and you're saying lokhu khulunywa lokhu ngamanga because I have a team. What are these teams for? Are they paid teams? Are they professional teams? Is it a group of our friends? Team. Is there any impact in this teamology that we are doing?
It's a tricky one. I think.
Do you have a team?
Yeah, I do.
Okay.
I do. Firstly.
Okay.
Like I said, I love for sugar since primary school. But then when it comes to Spain, Spain.
Yeah.
Right. Ubungane sabeka sayidini. Yasetshenzwa ndoda laphana. Vele njengayilwana kangifihleli ngishawudaka and sometimes ngifeel bad vele. Uyakwazi la. Kodwa manje ngibulele ngile sample ngimzwisa bafatha. And kwangisiza kakhulu because ngilapha just because of amagama njalo, you understand? Yeah. So indaba ye-team like I said ukuthi kuya ngobudlelwano benu ukuthi and nalokuthi at least kube le odd window when phela ukuthi uzibani ukhangela ngalokho uzibani ukhangela ngalokho. On my side I'm having a DJ ezimalini udingani.
Okay.
So you tell my bookings. So the manager is to cater for that one. You get the point. Yeah. So masokuthiwa sokulahleka izimali ngubani ocollect imali iba nje mbani le team usebantu sebaningi aba involved yena have to go back e-office yena ukuthi kathi adomele nganguyo ade for friend when it comes to booking bani angithi ngumanager then uDJ ngimthatha masesiya lokho lola bye. You understand? So that's the importance of a team, but kawumele la ibe khona futhi khona apho ku divide one ukuthi wena abafudile ngalokho.
Okay.
Angazi noma I'm making any sense.
Yeah, and are these teams paid or it's just
ebudlelwaneni komphana futhi ukuthi kuya ngokuthi livumelene vele liqalisa into yena. Because at some point yakhona ngithathe wena bafo yithi ngicela ungidijele maybe le talent vele awazi but ngiyabona ndiya DJ. Can you please DJ for me my event because siyafinura phandle lapha nto.
Yeah, true.
Uyatsa DJ umuntu ufaka i-tweet. Basa potato bafo phandle. Sebasilimaza kakhulu.
Has that ever happened to you?
Awula artist engakwazi. Awula artist engakwazi.
Tell us. Siyakukuza wena, hayi tell us.
Akubazi bafo like uyabonga bazi abantu
Uyabufika
event angithi wathola ama DJ sound akhona lapha. And most of them vele abafuna ukuthi into zabo zibanjwe. Wena lo DJ endaweni. They relate. Layazi nje kuba.
Ladies and gentlemen, that is why we say choose Depth 3 for creativity, integrity.
Exactly.
Like no funa jinto kuphelezi le order. Come to Depth 3, you hear ukuthi umfana umsotho uthini bamcitshela ingoma. Because umfanami ekasi bathi boys sicela phela uzosithulela lapha 2 minutes lapha. There is no quality, there is no creativity in it. You don't find professionals, but Tina, as Depth 3 events, we are so proud because if you need creativity, this is the house. If you need integrity, this is the house. If you need any
Yeah, you're right, Bafo. I once had a gig engathi ngifika ngathola kulabo Bafo be-Deb 3. Angisoli.
Wow.
Angisoli. Or maybe ukuthi babe ngilande kwami ngoba babe segwani.
Babe ngawudindwa ngala.
Anazashaya. I don't know, but I didn't face any challenges with Deb 3. So shout out to Deb 3. Bukanini Deb 3. Saying your friend number side.
Yeah. Ladies and gentlemen.
But then when my event I ngwaqambe fike lapha usuyakhala ngemic ngicela ungikhwezele Bafo. One DJ wamvele la yakulanta angayenza kompana bamfinura vele la ukuthenga abantu. Siyakhweze kuye emchinini uphelele ku laptop.
What contributes to that according to you? Or what type of events? Kuyabe kuyimi engenzi event lami nihlabela.
Not imchado, not mostly ngama events anjalo because it's
another artist.
Magama, right? But there was an event where mina ngaperform. And sound yangikhona babe mfinura Bafo. Like ama volumes ayiphansi, imic yayizwakala ngangizizwa nzima la kuma monitor. So ngase ngizibuza ukuthi le bangizwa yini. But ngambona bagida, you know abanqazo vele sebezidayile Bafo. This sebehamba le beat. But mina affect because ivoice yami isisha sensitrain.
Okay.
Ngaphuma wangena enye artist elakhona apha. Ngingekho home lelo langa. Bangilalela ngizo hayi man. Umjidi yakholisa yo.
Lapho sizikhala.
Yeah, umjida ngo-home yena ngithi.
Okay.
Ziyamhambela Bafo izinto zimi imic yazwakala le. So I was like, okay.
So just to be clear, you were somewhere in Matabeleland. Because if we are to say an artist from as close as Gwanda who actually spends or you spend more time here, Wabulawa.
Yeah.
So you are a local artist, La Wabulawa. This is your home ground.
Exactly.
So if you can get such sabotage, La Wabulawa, it means in this creative industry there is no unity amongst some artists.
Ngishilo nje lento uqalisene. Ngathi vele la thina la kithi the reason why sehle ukuthi sikhule asibambananga. So if mina ngisuke eGwanda ngizoshayelwa ngabantu bevala ama volumes then lo owalapha ekhaya bamvulele. Kuyini konoko?
Yeah.
Siyakhula kanjani?
Yeah.
Ngikhulumile lento lesiqala mawukhumbula.
And do we address these issues? Because if these issues are left hanging, and then there is no room for change. For example, you come here and then you are treated not okay. Why don't we talk about these issues? Are we afraid that we are not going to get opportunities that are not even there? Or it's just a matter of respect?
Opportunities are
not even there at all. And because if an event has the audacity to switch off your mic, and guaranteed they are not going to invite you again.
You know the problem, Inga? Akso owner event wenze leyo nto. Abantu be sound.
Yes, that's what I'm saying. To say, do we go out on socials and call it out to say, okay, I was here performing and my set did not come out well because these guys were giving me nonsense. Or we just incubate it and say, because most of these things, the reason why they are not resolved is asifuni ukukhuluma ngakho and asifuni ukukhuluma ukuthi hayi Deb 3 yehlule. So at the end of the day, how are we going to know ukuthi lo uyehluleka or lo urongo or lo uyasabotage? And that's why I was asking to say, have you ever reached out to someone? Why collaboration? I understand, and it's not for me now. Reason why I'm raising these motions is to say, if these things are left unattended, and there is a guy that is looking out to you, Katia Suguti, mfuna ukuthi lami ngikhule ngibe njengomfana omsoto ngiqala ukuhlabela, and all these frustrations are happening, and so umfana lwana is not only inspired by your music but your struggles and what you go through. Do you know why Sibukela kakhulu in South Africa? Those guys, they point out the truth as it is. I was in this event and Bandigi Dot. And it's easily resolved because omunye umuntu ukhulumile whether uncithiwe ama-gig at the end of the day or what happened. And if you look at it, they've started doing that as well. They really pointed out to say, alapha konakele la. But Tina, why? Is it because of our culture? Sinjalo Tina, si reserved or siyahloniphana kakhulu or siyesabana? Because if you're giving me fogolo, then why should I respect you? Le pride doti le. I think after the show, mina ekade mbuye nsizokusupport, I'll say umfana uyehluleka
because of his sound.
Because of his sound. Yeah. Then when you say nothing, then after 2 weeks we have a show. Ambuye mina labangani bami sesi wrong with but we are judging you by your previous show. You understand? Why don't we call it out to say I look good?
I think sometimes it's fear.
Okay.
Because I mentioned this mostly ama locals la kithi we do imali through ama gig. And ama gig ankhona it's not like lawana athiwa every Friday kule gig. Siyalinda maybe a certain month April yabele shutdown yabela lockdown yabuningi. You understand? So when I saw ukhulume kubi ngesystem shutdown and yikho lapha duso sakhona imali ukuthi uthenge airtime because awusiphandle ezegazi bafo cabanga sengikhulume njalo lapha kuncengwana bafo plus ushilo ukuthi vele iningi lizithathela abantu bangale wena so vele uyazincengisela lawe so ukhuluma kabe ngeDeb 3 ayisakubhooki wena ngwade wazi ukuthi khona iDeb 3 mayisibale something iyangibhuka ngithole something okungasethunjini so ukhulume kabi ngayo it now requires someone oza understand ukuthi but chomlo right asilungiseni into as a company but ungathola abana baqina ikhanda abazadle bethi awesijwayela lo sinxulisela ibizo sebebiza omunye because baningi bafesihlabela.
But the silence, though, is it benefiting us?
It's benefits, like you said, it has affected the other show. I wonder what's up with because of the previous what gigging belayo.
Because it's just one gig, and most of these gigs that we are paying, that we are getting, they're not even paying much.
Have you realized on social media, so would say even if on address something we local, when himself, he support sometimes so when it comes to us.
Okay.
Yeah. So sometimes ngazi uku-address into angikhona kuyavela kuthiwe la ingoma yakhe le auto-tune nini. Like I said, it's fear bafo yabungakwazi ukuthi unga-addressa leyo nto leyo vele lama followers bazakuphendula bethi
wathi ungathethi sisepa mawungageza.
It's vele backfire kuwe.
Kuhle immediately
because I'm not the only person, maybe yimi ngedwa. Like I said ukuthi kwavalelwa mina. The next person okhuluma kahle. Then ngicomment njalo mina kanti kulomunye umuntu ade kusame event. Uzwe wena uperforma kahle mina sengisoli sound. Sokuthiwa uyanya wena vele ulamanga bafo. Why lwana yenze kahle kunawe?
But is it not where the team comes in now?
Team yami. Ingakama in iyenzani?
Because I've gone to an event and they've treated me wrong. Are there no contracts in these events that we go through? Don't we have managers like you mentioned? So I get to an event, then my manager is doing the full front in terms of signing, and I have a team. I have someone who can be there just before me, just to check who to come and so that, because if the team is not active, then why have the team?
It just depends. It seems sometimes like the evidence.
And that particular day.
That's if bakhona on board. Because sometimes before nakhona nobungiranele something then over something with family yakho.
Oh yeah.
Then sometimes maybe sengifozwe ukuthi when you don't have anyone because vele kahle kudingakala mina.
Okay.
Get the vibe. If wenzakele, it's not like I'm complaining with every event kube njalo.
Amanye right. Amanye abe sharp.
Amanye abe sharp. Yabo vele into ezenzakalayo izinto zihlale zihamba smooth ngendlela esithanda ngakhona. Yabo so I feel like it team yes iyadlala indima enkulu when it comes to that but what if lelo langa ubambekile umuntu and you can say before because what if vele le mali ngiyayiphiwa yimi
ayikwani vele
because lami ngibe sengincengisa bafo angabizi kangako ukuthi ngihola lokhuyana ukuthi mangibiza igig, you understand? So manje ngiqhamule khombana, and once ngiphuma endlini lesikhwama sami sensane esengubo vele umasala bejabula ukuthi hayi but then sengisiba le team somele ngiqhamule lapha, but that's if uqhamuleka. Yabo, sometimes asiqhamuli because of ama circumstances ahlukeneyo. Something. So yeah, it's really hard.
And now audience building, you're crying out to ukuthi abula support ekwanileyo. How are we waiting for events, or we have ways that we are saying we've tried to engage with communities? I've tried going to Mpopo, Mama Kandeni, but these people are just arrogant and not responding. Are we engaging with the people, or we are waiting for people to move away from Uzalo and come to our shows?
And that one's wrong, because shares got present.
Okay. On events. And people don't even know about these events.
No, ama event esibizwa kiyo lawa
vele emakhulu. And maybe when I'm performing ngo-8, abantu baqasa ungena ngo-10.
Lapho ethi wazufaya njalo.
And many more. Compliments of the season.
Sizokhula lathi. Bathini bona bo? Bathini bona bescream. Sizafika lathi. Yeah, so that is just phansi Gqoqezana. I feel like sometimes okunye asizenzi sometimes. Siyafisa ukuthi sisukume sizenzele izinto.
Yeah.
One of the reasons why ngavuka ekuseni decide to submit ama CVs ngathola isibani before. Music alone is face reality. Eating eziyakhala bhuti. Kwamele uthole something la ucosha lapha. Uqosha indlela ekhaya.
Yeah.
Because khathesi sengidecide ukuthi ngiyenze yami show ngiyi-1. Cabanga ndoda, angilawo ama connections a10. Depth 3 ngiyayazi ngiyam-provide ama-camera, ngiyam-provide sound, i-speaker, ama-mic. Right? Le ndawo lapho engizafuna ukuthi ngiyenzele khona. I-expect ama-link wena nje umnikazi we-sound.
Yeah. You see?
And lapho ngiyagamblisha ba music ukugambla. Angikwazi abantu bazokuyamba. Ngise-smoke house kumbe nyinga. Ngithe ngifuna ishow yami yenzakale lapho. Ubafuza expect ama-sales from mina. Enxa engambhadalisa athi khona ngifuna ukuthi but at least letha abantu. Bebe baningi show that bethenga utshwala bami benjani. Ngibe la exactly. Ngiyagamblisha angizithembi lami. So at some point sokuhlala phansi ukucabanga ngikhona ukuthi yaza ngayo imali yokubhuka sound.
Oh yeah.
Apart from the sound, ziningi ezifunakalayo to build up an event.
Okay.
And also mfana waningi. Ama connection aka slim.
Oh yeah.
The other thing in here kwela kithi melwe ngifana kazibani.
And do we have that in our region?
Mfana kazibani.
That mfana kazibani.
Kuya ngawe phela ukuthi uapproach uzibani.
Okay.
Mina sengidlala lawo ngiyakwazi ukuthi wena sizamplaka vele.
Black sasule show. Sasa siyakala vele awulala ugezi.
Kule ingubo ihlezi rate. Yabo. So mfana kazibani.
Yeah.
You understand? So ngifana kazibani kulula ukuthi against yakukhulumela.
Yes.
Udam bengicela phela la ukuthi amfana impela lapha limehlise
limfakele
kumbe limchayile hayi mfana usakhula but cabanga vele la olalutho le artist yafuna asinakasifuni bro siyafuna trust me but la isikhwameni umholo wangikhona suka ube slim I can't book a sound vele yiyo abantu abaze ngayo and I need a proper sound.
There are the youth centers ema lokishini eNothorodant where I can just carry my Bluetooth speaker lesana singena my K1 and just gather a group of youths and bashayela ingoma yami qeda ukubashayela then sisixoxa sensuka sensiya emagwegwe. Doesn't that build audience, or do we try those things to say okay mina ngiyithethe music yami ngayifaka ebantwini abantu bayala, or we waiting for these events ukuthi kumele mbhuke kumele ngithenge ispeaker, because where are these people coming from? Where are you expecting these people to come from? So do we go to communities and engage? do we sing ezimfeni uthi kule mfa lapha ngithi ora imenza qayisa ingoma eyi-1 echechi then ngiqeda ngizabatshela akunomfana omsotho ngiyarekhoda no not emfeni angavuka file abe number 1 fail no but mainly we have youth centers we have places where young people gather those spaces ezabantwana are we too big to be there or we are not aware
okunye lulwazi okunye sile pride naleyo uthi cabanga ndoda lami sengithiwa sengithola i-speaker box uhlekile ubaba uyayizi into engishoyo la angikachazisi but la uyayizi nje right
no but we had this guy Onkiwani
that was then before mbani okwenzaka kade give me one owenza kade
but where is he now
I should let kwamele siqale ngesikhathi sakhe ngaleso sikhathi labo TikTok babengakabi khona vele yabo ngesikhathi sakhe okumvumela even Thomas Khadi la wayevuka njalo ayirenkini ayihlabele agide but now ungakwenza
not only those I think a lot and especially the Zimtensol chunk that's how they really made it they brought their music into the streets then the streets accepted them then Kadese City were cool so if this Bluetooth thing is no longer working what strategies do we have now to say because you can't expect me to pass through your TikTok I don't even know you you can't expect me to like your comment on Facebook I don't even know you so how are we taking it to the people ukuthi sithi sibazamile man abantu laba sibapendile barusi asikwazi ukuthi asifaka ngenda code what's happening how are we taking the music to the people
assignment yami ngeleyo something your research on that because mostly we deal with social media and vele sovele wakhatha vele answer yami because vele wathi angikwazi
angikwazi like I don't know ukuthi kulomfana omsotho and so Facebook I don't even know you
but you can get to know me that's if ngiyaposta phela ama post engiwenza
okay
bekana kudinga ukuthi angazi bongazi kuzovela kuvelela kuwe vele I understand
but I can pass through a random pop up and just say
vele
and because I'm genuine here angazi lo ukuthi umuntu lo mbani and then ubustile then sengubona ngiyadlula ngithi uashe ngimazi fakile and because I know this person and regularly you start checking on people just because you know them and there's some guys that I did not know but maybe you have to interview them or maybe you have a gig with them then so search but then the next thing akuyachaza lokho and but verbally ngitsheliwe not through ama socials and interface lana led me to the socials because sometimes I think say relax kakhulu and expect ukuthi iFacebook ifike iqoqode so endlini yami imbukele iseries yami emnandi iFacebook ifike ithi yamazi mfana omsotho ngithi no angemazi imbukele karetse but I think that engagement can be a good start to say okay sis mina labangani bami until lina guys liyalo collaborate but mina labangani bami wangifine sisithatha music sesihambise ekhaya
you know mina manganikeza example ngami myself still remember there was a moment in time ngise SA I do that mostly vele kwezinye indawo zokuchazela ngangigela komunye umjito angaziyo so I found a guy ezidlalela music nge-Bluetooth kule speaker sakhe lapha ngithi abafuna ngicela ukudlalela something ngavele ngazisearch ngasubscribe ngambulalela isingoma zami tshela leli angitshela ngithi yimi yabona i-reaction ngikhangele ngemira umjito yagida athi ngibona njala awenzile wabe-check i-video wabengikhangela yabo so I felt like gaming as in strategy I did that ngangitravel this other day ngacela ukuconnect and trust me abantu bangibathi behle emotweni lana basebengazi
yes
so if when an artist himself wazama ukuthi uziphushe ngaleyo ndlela
which is a good way
because vele kwamele sizame wonke amakhona you can't ignore Facebook because ngiyekulanda uqoqodela ku series vele kwamele senze ngelinye ilanga uzozume lapha ngona because sometimes ngiyakudlula into emnandi
yes that's true
even if ungangazi but always kumnandi bafuna uzoma ufuna ukubona then you get to know you get to see that thing kaningi so you end up stopping lapho so ngizame leyo ndlela ngazama laliyana akube kuningi eventually kuzokulungela.
Yeah, true.
Than to focus on into one. Even the layer yokuthi silanda abantu ukuthola isikolo secela ukuthi
share one ngoma. Then on a professional basis, what's your approach in terms of, because most of the time mawumuntu kuthiwa uyahlabela and kunzima so ukuthi maybe sihlezi la ku board meeting then wesokuthiwa nangumfana umsotho uyahlabela and there's nothing tangible that you guys give us. Kasomele maybe sihlabelele for us to believe. Do you have any methods of saying, okay, karisi ungafika umuntu la afika athi na umfana umsotho uyahlabela? Do you have any handout that you can give, or how do we make this professional to say, yeah, senghambe nga invite her in this wedding and maybe I gave out business cards or something? Do you have that, or that's out of music services business?
No, I do have business cards
Okay,
but there are few nje amaningi endlini.
Wow.
Lapha ngihamba khona first for abale bookings for bookings le numbers ka motion culture manager. Yeah, I once tried indaba yama flash.
Okay.
Just load music yami dayise, you know, it's ngathenga izikiphe ezile-brand lami just to advertise. Ayingiqala vele I did ama-CD. That was then kusasela ama-disc. I used to sell ama-disc ngiqanisa sawadwa ongalo umjito ayingibhenela wona angishonele ngithi vele yabe ngisala ngizawa-collector sengile number yabantu abafunayo. Yabo. Yeah, but kwaya kwami ngesikhathi izinto zafeda ama-DVD aselawo ngisathengisela abantu
so you had it from umfana umsotho. If for this whole week, if you need a business card, like I'll be having some of them, you can just come to me. Or if you come to Deb3 events and you need business card, we can just give you a business card. Follow him on his socials, Uzalniga, just before we end, so that you know where exactly to find umfana umsotho teacher helamba nimbathini angazi ukuthi endlini bambatheni
ubamba phandle
guys awula mamonya yinayo sayo
ufuna ukubamba egedini aphumi lo
phandle ngale bafika bengikhula ngale
tsaye ukuthola lo msuthu uphuma le ngube esiyetoilet ebusuku salegodwa abangezi
abezwa laba bantu. Achievements, mfana umsotho. What have we achieved in our music? What are the things that we can point out to say this?
Firstly, kubalana bafo.
Yeah.
It's an achievement. I always wanted this show, honestly.
Wow.
I always wanted to be here. It's an achievement.
Wow.
It's a big thing. Balana. Having this podcast, you know.
Shows that people can now see you, people can pay attention to you now, yeah?
Yeah. Hey, angazi bafo ngathi ama-videos angashotayo from Nyavuma, Ngibuzo, Thembalami, Amawala, shout out to Amawala, ngiqeda kuyidropa manje, the latest one. The music videos that I dropped, to me, achievement.
Yeah, Chief was telling me about it. I think Nyamba ngilalele all the way. He was asking because I was listening to some of your stuff, I think, this whole week and just enjoying and whatever. I listen to a lot of local though.
Okay.
I listen to a lot of local.
I bet local.
Yeah.
It's actually good.
Yeah. It's so nice. It's so nice. Yeah. I listen to a lot of artists. I can't mention them now because it's your time. So I listen to a lot of local and kuyaphuma like kuyaqala ukukhula so kuyamachuwa kuyahluma kuba mnandi so where was this point where you said lapha yikho kwaphuma khona umfana umsotho? What was that song yokuthi ya le bayilalela le and le yikho lami ngathi no guys ngikhona?
I'm proud of saying Nyavuma. That's fine bafo namanje ngiyazishaya ezinye ngiyazibona ayimile mntakababa Nyavuma uthi angindawo so yeah Nyavuma nguye umfana umsotho vele like when I dropped Nyavuma everyone was like yeah of course a few babengazi you know but when I dropped Nyavuma yahle yaqoqoda iminyaka eminingi the attention yonke yahle oh who's this guy mfana wengwane okay mfana wengwane you know shout out to Jeshington, shout out to DJ Drums and Lens, the guys are part of the project and even Motion Culture for directing that beautiful video and Africulture. So yeah, Nyavuma is the plug.
Okay. Then there's been a question about your spirituality. People assume umuntu omkhulu.
Hey,
Maybe
but
because
yeah.
of your style of music, or maybe because of how you embrace yourself, your culture, and there's this question over there.
No, but for me, I'm a Christian.
Yeah.
Like, kwele Sunday school. Nami ngumshana kagogo nje of-FG. Ngikhulisa ngugogo e-church, you know. Yeah, so this thing ngilinga le music
Okay.
and to break this thing yokuthi I feel like abantu abaningi ngathi bayithatha njengento wrong lezi zinto lezi so ezabantu abadala. I think I once did enye show angena ngimbathe lembo leliyana yabo. To me it's acting because angaze ngavukelwa idlozi. Angazi loba ngilale so I believe sonke sinawo amadlozi but alikaze livukela ebantwini lithi ngalethi khandlela. To me it was a way of showing respect to ukuthi okay fine even if ngingumKristu but abaphansi bakhona and they are watching us. That's a fact. Singaba Africans i-church sayinikwa ngabakhiwa sikhule senzani thina
njenge-Fork 9.
Exactly.
Let's try.
Yeah, Lesikhiwa. Ngiyabonga ungikhulisa ngesikhiwa. Ngisazi isikhiwa.
Angifuna ukusibona. English is not my mother.
Umsuthu. Ngimsuthu nina. Yabo. So, no, to me kahle laphana ngiyabe ngizama ukuthi okay, because I have a song ethi Themba Lami.
Yes.
It's so funny how they jumped bahle baya kuleyana ndawo eyabo gogo labomkhulu yabo Gobela Thokoza bakhohlwa ngale ukuthi okay I want to do the gospel song. Why bengazange wathi ngimfundisi ke?
Pastor Mfana Omsonto.
Ukuthule kanje. Kodwa ngumfundisi mina.
Hallelujah.
Ucobo. You know, so yeah. I'm yonke indawo.
You okay?
Give me look to just to tell my friends I'm empowered. No. I'll be art. But I believe it's dangerous. Because omunye umuntu owambuza ukuthi what if lizovuka nje ngelinye ilanga sebantwini uzenzani?
Lapho selibonile iplan.
Yeah, so chapha umfula sesilapha.
Amanzi akhona
because
awukunatha.
it's a catchy.
Amampama silawo ngaze lihlupha.
Akekho safe.
Irubhu zikhona.
Akekho safe. So yeah, no, mina ngumKristu.
That's
upon I'll be just trying to be creative because angeke phela uzozilimit just because of yesaba ukuthi abantu bazothini. And yet vele athola into yankhona lama likes amaningi. They love to watch that. So it's a matter of ukuthi come outside the box usibuze ukuthi yini enye into engayenzi iphi enye approach because the jazz and artist mele trend and mele abantu behlale bekhuluma ngayo so that ube relevant, right?
Always.
So it's not about just somele hlala ungcwele mthoko
uzithobile suit a green le tie bomb.
My point exactly. See, sometimes kwamele wenze something enye uthanda abantu was like okay bakhulume ngawe beqamba amanga ngawe futhi bethi awuthwele ngingazitholelanga bafo mina ngiyitholele ingubo yami isindo
apho uyabuthwele andobona
ngithwele yabo so I know that's why I know mina ngimuntu omdala vele umuntu omdala
but kid
there is a reason why ngilapho ngizama utshela abantu ukuthi lento lesiqale
lapho evela khona the foundations.
I'm not worried about the future. Why kid X namanje ngikid nganani
uLili Wayne
yo what's up shout out
uLili Wayne
exactly asimnyedwa ndoda eqale ngami ngimfaka umsudu ngilikhehla lento lesithi ubalo umsudu.
What do we expect from Omsonto? Anything that you are cooking? Any shows that are coming? Skitchime siyethenga amatikiti.
Yep, my songs. I think I have a lot of songs engakadrop than esengadrophayo.
Okay.
So more is coming. I'm thinking of dropping Inhliziyo featuring Kwezi.
Oh,
Kwezi, right?
Yeah.
Favorite time now.
We're
trying to we recorded that song. I think that's before Amawala. But I was waiting for a concept young one because I believe in shooting my music videos.
Okay.
I hate to drop my audios because I plus I need people to know it's okay. So besikhuluma umfana omsuthu lalela ingoma yakhe ngibani lo. At least if uvele ungisearch uthole video. So this is the guy. So besazama ukuthi siqoqe sithole i-concept engani iyaphuma and singani sibumbeke into yankhona. So I feel like the next project will be Inhliziyo featuring Kwezi.
Okay.
There is Indoni featuring Fly. Fly, the guy who wrote Amawala.
Yes,
if you noticed, he's a good guy. We did a remix of Uloyiso, Kodwa Loyiso. You saw that trend. Yeah. We're also sure of yet with Sangai Dropan in Singapore Maliana since it's a cover. Okay. Too much, but we are just trying to flex some muscles. What is it that we can create out of a TikTok challenge? It trend and it's a good song.
Okay.
So Dropanini. Aban so many make sure bang follow so that they get them updates.
Yes. Umlande.
Yeah.
Labo ayakona somlande la.
Exactly. So yeah, manenga ama projects azayo angeke ngoqambe wonke manenga kakhulu, but for now before we drop any project, please check it out on Amawala.
Okay.
Yeah, it's making noise.
It's
making noise.
Yeah.
I think you me ping is. I think you is a bella because Chief.
Yeah.
Confess.
Yeah. Mina thinking Amawala kuletela. It's massive. Guys, check out Amawala. Mina, I'm vibing on it today. Suga solapa yenyama ngilalele. I'll give you feedback, definitely.
Yeah.
I'll even post about it tonight and just say, check out Amawala.
Nice concept.
Ngabaniki stop song, abahambe becheck.
Since I'm jail, mala. Funny.
I saw quote. Yeah, still quoting my lab.
Oh,
but women understand. We are told which president should tell a quote. Can't you have now my quote? We should tell you.
As a set up.
So let me I honestly, not doing this album. But I will create.
Yeah, that's nice. Creativity. That's nice. I'll really check it out. Please definitely. I'll really check it. Maybe ungapomba lapana chief lapana nxa sesiqeda lapana just maybe hype it Amawala and just put something pants lapha. Uyabona pants lapha pomba ukufaka so that people can just check it out. And you never know. Where do we find you, Phantom Sort? Besides the Kodini, the court. I'm a banana, mathematics. Okay. Where do we find you? I think a lot of people would like to know. And also for your bookings, how do we book you? I'm in love. Yabona, I'm in love sibilo ukuthi even khathesi so ungangena imessage ethi yes babe.
Ngiyaqhawela butwa. Alathi so joy.
Ingoma zenu ezithando zayo. Yasenzela thina sibe in love, yabona. So nxa sifuna ukukubhuka, I know a lot of my friends abachatayo, especially ama artists, ngiyalazi elichatayo bafethu. Nangu umfana omsuku. Ingubo kaphatalisi ingwane uphatalisi music ingubo mahara uyazithwalela ingwane mahara. Where do we find you, sir?
Umfana omsuku utholakala ngathi almost yonke indawo because YouTube mostly vela ama videos I drop ku YouTube.
Yes.
YouTube ngikhona as K-Kid Umfana Omsuku. So it's K-A-Y then Kid. Then Umfana Omsuku it's U-M-F-A Umfa, then No, N-O, then Umfanom below M, then Soto. Soto is S-O-T. But very ngavela uthi K-Kid. I think YouTube says ngabangani singazi ungavela usearch labantu K-Kid awuqedisela.
Yeah.
Khona laphana K-Kid Umfana Omsuku. TikTok sikhona, Instagram sikhona, Facebook sikhona, X sikhona. Even dalawo amanye ama all digital platforms mabeyosho
ngeskill
sikhona lapho into phose uzwile ungangena lapha ingoma mayikhala emchoveni umbikhala ku Skies khala Khulumani khala ku Deb just Shazam ngiyavela la emalightini.
Yeah. And just to clarify again on that, or maybe to add on that, I was it was easy for me to search for him. Sometimes before I do an interview with someone, just check how visible they are. And I can confirm with you, even Upamansili spelling, umfana umsoto will appear somewhere. So ungavali ngokuthi kula punctuation kule apostrophe lokuzen if you just say umfana umsoto, you get something, it will lead you somewhere, whether it's on Google, whether on YouTube, but it will definitely lead you somewhere. So nyabensenzela into ezinje, so mawusu nchaya unanzelela ukuthi mina hayi anchaya. What do you want to say to the people as your last words? Last words, not because you are dying, but because not because you're about to die dead. Right? Ungabavalelisa usithini abantu ungabachiya u10. Angikubona ukugala. Ngahamba ukugala ngikubona.
Igala yipi?
Youth day.
Nga.
Abakukhatha. Umuntu osebenza ecourt alenzi njalo. Machenzi. Umuntu omthetho. No, I'm joking.
Abazongibiza isikhathi sami sizafika. So abantwini ngathi sithanda ukubonga support. Lesiphayo we really appreciate us complaining. But we sifuna ingadinwa. Siqale sila 0 followers. Now it's like 30, 40. Siyakhula kusasa ngiyawazi after this podcast my dropper. I'm sure ngizochaza abanye. So please keep on supporting us. Umuntu ngabantu. Emakhaya.
Yeah, definitely. Encane. Ama shut up aya kuba.
Ama shout out. Shout out to Motion Culture. Shout out to my DJ. Shout out to Mdala, my father. Shout out to Masalu. Shout out to everyone, family nongisupportayo. I'm here because of your support. Shout out to everyone who listens to Umfana Umsoto. Shout out to you.
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you so much. Shout out to me.
Shout out to Hade. Shout out to umuntu wangilinga lo Hade.
Oh.
Okay, Dube.
Yeah.
So uzomela ibukele because of this. Shout out to you bafo. I'm here namhlanje. I'm sure uyajabula la ukhona.
Yeah. Lapho khona I think
because like I said ukuthi kuya ngokuthi wazuzibani.
Yes.
Uzakulinke lozibani uzofika.
So it's important to build those connections.
Exactly.
Fike ebantwini lawo. Just know even ungakabizwa ku podcast. Fike step 3 phombe uxoxa. Hayi na usibani ngenze so uchiye your music. It helps kusasa. So you heard from Umfana Umsoto la picha halethe elikhulu la. I'll remind you again about Deb 3 events. Deb 3 events is your stop place, whatever that you need. Events management, events planning, sound engineering, cinematography, photo shoots, MCs. Like I said to you, Tina, Vele, we have no option but to give you massive creativity, massive quality, and we have a very professional team, very integrity, very high. Bakezile ukuthala babona, bakezile nukelela. So so Deb 3 City, whatever that you need as far as events are concerned, as far as ukujabula kwakho, lobola day, it's a wedding, it's a celebration, it's a road show, it's an advert, konke la kukhona la into engekho ngusathane kuphela. Sizokuthiwa ungale ku first asazi ukuthi wenzani khona ngale. Lapha sinaye la usathane. And today we had Umfana Umsoto. Beautiful music from Umfana Umsoto. I've listened to most of his songs and angazi ukuthi amawalami abengavuma ukuthi ngibe lamanye futhi amawala, but karezi njengoba sengani sengehlisulaka, so I think ngizazama ukubona amanye amawala mbone. So right now ngingakavali mina vele amfuna ukuthi mvale Umfana Umsoto engaprova right ecourt kuthiwa give us sustainable evidence that you are a vocalist. Ngasishaya iskiyo. Leonard friend, Give us something, man. I was near.
What's a really vocalist? I'm not a vocalist.
Anlamuzi umfana omsotho.
Auto-tune.
Warenza auto-tunela mina.
Ngicela ungifakele something.
Ngiyakufakela
Ufuna ukuzwana bhuti wami.
Akusisa Mawala, something nje, so that because that's what we're hyping now.
Mawala, right.
Just something from Mawala.
Mawala thini right? Ngivele ngezwa ngesivunguvungu thokomala inhliziyo isebuhlungu yangishaya ingungungu ilesigubhu sangivuse ebusuku hliziyo nsimbi enkulu khenceza kuvuka umkhulu sangishaya isivunguvungu thokomala inhliziyo isebuhlungu khenceza nsimbi enkulu ile ntombi yangivuse ebusuku isigubhu ngishaya ngungungu ngidanse lushuni kamkhulu bese ngifungile mama ukuthi ngiyowacisha Mawala ngoba imhlolo ethwele ingozi ngayibona ntombi endala ngayibona bangishaya umoya wasucula hayikhona kanti nginamanga sengibona ukidibona bese ngifungile mama ukuthi ngiyowacisha Mawala ngoba imhlolo ethwele ingozi ngayibona ntombi endala ngayibona nabangishaya umoya wasucula hayikhona kanti nginamanga sengibona iDep 3 mama.
Beautiful. Right, bese ngifuna ukungena manje ngebhesani. Pare ukuthi ngiphuzile ukudla lunch. So la kule beef la. Pare bese ngifuna ukuyisukela manje ngebhesi ngithi so lizwele isivunguvungu simthethe le eGwanda samthatha eGoli samletha lapha eDep 3 events la. That's from us, mina nomfana omsotho a good. I nearly said beautiful, but that's gay. Okay, hands up. I can't even say hands up. Yo.
Hey, Uncle Safe.
Yeah. I just realized you're not safe. You're not safe at all. But well, that's from us, mina, Lomfana Msoto. We were here, auntie. I don't want to ngabe sesikolo ngabe sesibhala somewhere emdulini. Mfana Msoto was here. Mfana Msoto was here.
1994.
So from me, Leslie Masuku, Deb Events crew that is behind the scenes, Lomfana Msoto City, sizalibona singalikhangela.
She